Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find Accounts and Backup. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Backup and Data right here in this Google Drive section. Let's tap. And tap on Next. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Here we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info. And then I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup. Here you can decide what you want to back up to from your device, so the photos and videos or other device data. It's up to you. I think I will choose this one, so the contacts, call history, text messages, etc. And tap on Confirm. Okay, tap on Manage Backup. And as you can see, this is another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files which are backed up. Here we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, so you can avoid some charges for accessing the limit of your mobile data. And to finish everything, we have to simply tap on Backup now. And as you can see, your device, of course, confirm everything with your screen lock, and your device is backing up the data right now. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.